Hi guys, welcome to Pro Photo Tips. I'm Daniel and today we will gonna talk about 5 gears that every photographer should have. So first thing I want to talk about is SD cards. Make sure you have loads of them, because I'm pretty sure at a certain moment you will forget them or you will lose them. It's really easy to use and it's good to have plenty of them. Now the SD cards, they are really cheap and you can find them on Amazon or eBay. I will put some links in the description anyway, so you can grab some of them. Now the second thing that you want to get for yourself, it's batteries. You need to have at least 2 batteries, I'd say. I prefer to have 3 or 4 of them, and I keep them organized in a think tank bag, which I bought it together with the batteries, and I have plenty of them, because you never know, when you go to a photo shoot you put your battery inside and you see you have no life in the battery. So keep that in mind and make sure you have plenty of battery. Now the next thing, which is the same for battery, you can get one battery grip. This allows you to use 2 batteries in the same time, which means you will have a longer life for the battery. Let's say you go to a shootout and you have to change batteries every hour. It's not handy, so instead I use 2 batteries and I have this battery grip with me. Now another tip for batteries: make sure when you get home from a photo shoot or a film session, make sure you take your batteries off your camera and recharge them every single time. You will regret it if not. Now the third thing which I want to talk about, and which you should have as a photographer, it's a UV filter. Mostly I bought it to protect my glass. So in order to do that, you just put it on the lens itself, and let's say in an accident or something like that, if you hit your lens, you will hit with the filter on, so no damage to the actual lens. Another thing which protects your lens, it's this lens hood. Now the next thing which you wanna buy as a photographer, and it's a must, it's this external hard drive. I have a couple of them, and they are really good to back up everything you have on your memory cards. Once I was having backup only on just one hard drive, and I didn't notice, but in time that hard drive was burned. So I lost all my data on the hard drive. Make sure every time you back up your data, you do it at least on 2 external hard drives. Now the last but not least, it's invest in a good card reader. You can find plenty of them on Amazon. I have an Advent one, I think, and it's really cheap and it does the job, so that's the main thing. Anyway, I will put some links down in the description below, so make sure you check them out. You can find them really cheap. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, if you are into photography. This channel will have mostly photography topics. I'm thinking on doing part 2 for this gear for photographers, so make sure you smash that like button and share it with your friends, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget, if you want great photos, keep practice, it will get better. I promise. Until next time, all the best.